have a gem for you today in the heart of Scalea, very close to the bars, restaurants and all the amenities, and also a stone's throw away from the beach. We have a 3-bedroom apartment with fully fitted kitchen and bathroom. Let's go and take a look at the apartment, but let me finish my drink first. So here we are at the house in Scalea. Let's go inside and take a look. As you come into the hallway, the entrance, we have a possible bedroom. We haven't got the key at the moment, but there is a video we can put on the side for you to see. Here we come into the first double bedroom, very light, and all the fittings will remain here in the house. Let's follow the hallway down, and you will come into a very large kitchen and dining room. Has air conditioning, very light, a fully equipped kitchen, and as you come into, it's a single room, but you can make it into whatever you wanted to. Let's go and take a look at the bathroom. We have a fully fitted bathroom, and we have another storage room here where you can do your washing. This is a tumble dryer. Everything's been left here, and this is your fully fitted bathroom with fitted shower. We also have a washing machine here ready to use, and a boiler with gas central heating. Okay, that concludes our tour on this house. If you'd like any more information, please click on the link below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so.